Hello everyone, my name is Brady Haislet. I'm an application engineer here at 3M, and today we're going to go through the application of clear coat. Before we get started, for any job you want to have the appropriate personal protective equipment. Since we'll be spraying clear coat, I'll have on a full paint suit, shoe covers, along with safety glasses and gloves, and the type of respirator I'll be wearing is called a PAPR. Now this is intended for professional audiences, such as a body shop or a restoration shop, but if you have questions about safety or warranty info, you can find that in the description below. One thing that's important with clear coat is that you mix it appropriately per the manufacturer recommendations, because you do not want to over-reduce or over-catalyze the coating, or it won't have the final properties that the coating manufacturer intended. And another thing that's important with clear coat is as you're applying it, try to be consistent and also find that sweet spot where if you're too close and applying it with a nice wet coat, it can give you a little bit finer of a texture than desired. And if you're too far away and too dry, that can result in too coarse of a texture. You want to find that sweet spot that best matches OEM. When applying clear coat, it's important to apply enough material that you get the adequate film bill as intended by the manufacturer. Now that not only helps with the appearance, but it also helps with chip resistance, mar resistance, and UV protection for the layers beneath. We're going to be applying it to two rigid panels here, but additionally you can add a flex additive to the clear coat, and that could be important for something like a front or rear bumper cover. And not only will it allow it to flex easier for removal and installation, since you usually do have to bend those for the install, but it also gives it additional chip and mar resistance. Since I've sprayed this material a few times, I know the approximate initial settings I like. For this, I like about 1.5 turns out on fan, full fluid, and about 20 psi of air pressure at the heel of the gun. Now I'm going to be applying this clear coat with about 50 to 70% overlap, and I'll be trying to be careful of where I start and stop, because you don't want to have too much material building up in an area where you have a feature or something else that could cause a potential sag. Well, that's all there is to it for the clear coat application. So once we finish baking and I pull all the masking off, we'll be all done in the booth. Then we'll send it off to paint finishing, because I already see a couple nibs that I'll want to take care of. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Please feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and then follow the link below in the description for other videos like this from the Collision Repair Academy. We'll see you guys next time.